Okay, gonna do a quick review on Sugardale Pepperoni. This is half pound size, 8 ounce, half pound size. It's sliced, and serving size is 15 slices. Servings per container is about 8. Calories per serving is 140. Calories and fat 120. Total fat 13 grams. Saturated fat 4 grams. 30 milligrams cholesterol. 160 milligrams of sodium. Protein 6 grams. And 2% of your recommended iron for your diet. Okay. I know you buy this at Save a Lot. I don't know what other store sells this. But we buy it at Save a Lot. It's pretty good. We eat it by itself. You can use it on pizza. You can use it on any recipe that calls for pepperoni. Any other recipe like you might be fixing that requires pepperoni. And it's, like I said, we use it a lot here. So we eat a lot around here. Tastes good. You can just eat, if you're hungry, you can just eat plain old pepperoni. Or you can use it on pizza. Or any recipe that you may have that you're cooking and you need to put pepperoni in. It's something you can buy at Save a Lot. You buy it at Save a Lot. I don't know how much it is right offhand. I don't know how much they charge for it. Probably about $4. Here's what I'm guessing. Like I said, it's pretty good pepperoni. Eat by itself, or make an homemade pizza, or get a recipe that you need pepperoni in. You can use this in it. It is the Sugardale Pepperoni. And it's 8 ounce, so it's half pound size. Like I said, I know you can buy it at Save a Lot, but I don't know what other stores carry it. I don't know what other stores carry it off right now, fan.